welcome back to All Things with Tip. We're in my kitchen today, so I just decided to add me a partner today in the kitchen. This is Jeremiah.
Hi guys.
Y'all may have seen him maybe a few times in my vlog videos, but today we are going to do something simple together. So yesterday we were talking and we were like, Jeremiah's like, Mommy, you remember when we used to make hot dogs and beans? I was like, oh yeah. I was like, that used to be really good. We haven't made that in a while. So today we're gonna make hot dogs and beans. I know it's super simple, but it's something that, you know, it's a childhood favorite, at least for us. And if it's your childhood favorite, you can watch along and just see how we do our hot dogs and beans. Thanks for watching and supporting All Things with Tip. And make sure you guys stay tuned.
Okay, y'all, so this is what we have today. We have 2 pork and beans, barbecue sauce, hickory smoke, yellow mustard, sugar, ballpark hot dogs, and brown sugar.
We also have a 7 by 11 inch glass pan that we're going to cook everything in. So first we're going to start off with boiling our hot dogs, and then we'll be back with you.
Oh, so guys, we're going to be cutting the hot dogs and putting them on this table.
And so we didn't really cook the hot dogs all the way. We just wanted to cook them a little bit. We only did 4 hot dogs. We just wanted to cook them just a little bit and let them finish cooking in the oven. This will, you know, get the hot dogs and beans done a little bit quicker. Okay, so what we've done is we've already cut the hot dogs. Make sure you all go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. We're using the Van Camps. I like the Van Camp beans. There were mostly like the Bush's baked beans in there, but they didn't have just the original baked beans. They had something mixed in there, hickory smoke. I don't like all that stuff. I like to put my own stuff in there. I don't care if it is, you know, barbecue flavor or brown sugar flavor. I like to do my own. So I started off by draining all the juice on top of off the beans. And then so now we're just gonna start mixing everything together. I don't do measurements. I usually just pour everything in and I taste it as I go along the way. I just feel like everybody likes, you know, their stuff to taste different, and so that's just how I do it. So you won't see us doing any measuring or anything like that. We'll pretty much just be, you know, adding our ingredients, and then once we get it to our liking, then we'll stop. Okay, so Jeremiah's gonna go ahead and start adding in the hot dogs. And again, this is something that the kids can do. I think that it would be fun for them to just help out in the kitchen. You know, they're always wondering, you know, what we're doing or how we do it or can they help. And this is something easy and simple for them to do. And they'll love it. They'll enjoy it so much and just have fun in the kitchen, you know, with mom or dad. All right, Jeremiah, so go ahead and mix those up. And everything that we put in there is going to create juice, so don't worry about that. If I've ever left the juice in there, it's been like way too juicy, and I don't like it super juicy. But if you like it super juicy, then you can keep the juice on the beans. So Jeremiah is going to go ahead and put mustard on there. That's good, Jeremiah. And then he's going to go ahead and add the barbecue sauce. And just kind of put that's good. All right. And we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of brown sugar. All right, that's good. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our granulated sugar, granulated white sugar. And just kind of sprinkle that over, man. And you might think this is a lot of sugar, but that's what makes it good. What you think, Jeremiah?
I think it'll be good.
Okay, don't put that in. We don't want to have paper in there. All right, so go ahead and mix it up. It's already smelling good. Okay, so once we've mixed all the ingredients, what we like to do is just kind of taste the juice just to make sure that it tastes okay before we actually put it in the oven. So that's what we're gonna do now. Give me your finger, Jeremiah. We don't stick our finger in there. Just taking a spoon and just letting the juice drip off on our finger and taste it. What you think, man? Need something else?
No.
Let's see. I think it needs a little bit more
mustard.
A little bit more everything. I think it needs to be a little bit more. And we're gonna put a little bit more everything, and then we'll go ahead and put it in the oven. And like I said, you know, put enough ingredients in there to where it gets to your liking. You can put less than what we did, you can put more than what we did. You just want to put as much in there where you can get it to your liking. Okay, so this is how it looked. We decided just to do barbecue sauce, a little bit more yellow mustard, and some brown sugar. And now we have this dark color. It tastes so much better now. And it's also optional to add onions to it. You can do it like you do your regular baked beans. I just didn't have any onions, so this is how we're gonna do it today. All right, so how long are we gonna let this cook, Jeremiah?
15 minutes.
About 15 to 20 minutes?
Yeah.
All right, so we'll see you guys in a second.
It looks so good.
Oh, it smells good too, Jeremiah. So you guys see how it created its own juice, and we just kind of let it cook until, you know, it started to cook on top. You can kind of see where the beans started to cook, and it kind of just started to bubble in the oven. I also turned it up to 400 instead of 350. After 20 minutes on 350, it was just hot, but I wanted it to cook some more. So instead of preheating your oven to 350, go ahead and do it to 400. And so we're gonna taste it and we're gonna see how it tastes. Again, it's been a long time since we've had this, so we're gonna do a taste test and let you guys see how we like it. Okay, so we're gonna taste it. Let you guys know how it came out. You going first, man?
Yeah.
It's good? Let me taste it. It's good, just like you remember, huh? It's good. So thanks for watching. Make sure you guys continue to follow me. I'm All Things with Tip. On Instagram, I'm All Things with Tip. Make sure you guys ring that bell at the bottom. Me and Jeremiah will see you on the next video. We hope that you enjoy the rest of your day. We hope that you do try our recipe. So we'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys stay tuned. How you do it, man? He don't want to do it with me.
Yeah.